teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to teach you how to play My Way in easy way. Simple version. Okay. The notes of the left hand part was the one that was in the box here on the top of the stuff. Okay, so first chord or left hand is F, A. That means you have to play F here, then A here. Then left hand here it's C. Left hand here is D. Left hand is G. Okay, it keeps on repeating. There's G here. They just did not write it again because it's automatic. You have to play it again. Okay. Same notes. Okay, this one is B flat minor. Okay, let's play it again. Okay, this one is F. They did not write it down. Okay, B flat. If there's no chords on the next note, next measure, that means you just have to repeat then chords here like that. So if this is F, there is no F here, there's no next chord, that means it's the same, still the same chord, still F here. Here it's B flat. Okay, now let's play the My Way in piano. Don't worry, it's easy. Okay, let's play. Ready? Okay, let's play. So right hand is the notes here. A, C, A, C, A. Okay, then you have to play together every time it aligns. Okay, ready? C, A, C, A, G, A. Left hand G, A. Then C, A, G, A. G, A, G, left hand D. G, F sharp, D, B flat, D, B flat, A, B flat, D, B flat, A, B flat, left hand C. C, G, G, left hand F, B flat, A. Then B natural, B, C, another F here. B, C, D, C, D, A, C, same B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A. Okay, C, B flat, B flat, C, left hand F. C, B flat, A, left hand C. D, D, E, F, G, left hand B flat, left hand F. So it's the same F here. Then we repeat. Then, sorry. From here, B natural. Another F here. Same B flat. Okay, this part B flat. 2, 3, 4, same F. 2. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you know, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it all and spit it out. I face it all, and I stood tall and did it my last part way. Okay, you can just end here because the other parts it's just keeps on repeating. Dun dun da 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 da.